Okay, hello, this is Kicker Jim here at Guaranty RV Super Center. This is a 3200 MVP Sundance, stock number T37472, 2018. First thing, right when you come through the door, you got a nice coat rack. You can hang your coat up here. You don't have to track through the place. You got a slide inside a slide, so there's a tremendous amount of room here. You can sit in here on your couch and do a nice recline. Got a nice great big TV here. Have a fiesta or not. Got a dinette here. There's storage underneath these. You got a nice fireplace here with storage on either side. You got your Bluetooth music, stream internet music if you like. Great big TV. You got an island here if you'd like to do a lot of cooking. A lot of storage. Got an oven, 3-burner stove, nice big microwave, more storage, storage down here. Got a 2-part nice sink, a residential spout here, more storage. All over here. All you got to do is press the button here to make it hotter or colder, depending on the temperature. In here we have a bathroom. Nice door that goes across here if you want to have some more privacy. Come into the bathroom, or in the bedroom. Got a lot of drawers underneath of the bed here. This is a cool storage. There's a washer and dryer hookup if you'd like. A lot of storage in here. There's a lot of storage in there. You can't probably see in there because of the light. A lot of room. You got a little stand down here for things. Stand over there. A little cubby hole. Got a nice big awning. You can have a party back here in this storage. Lots of room. Got a nice LED light in there. One propane tank on this side, one on the other. You got some outdoor speakers, 110 outlet, LED light there. You got the slide inside a slide. You got a ladder up to the roof to be able to access your roof for maintenance. Electrical outlet here. Here's for your jacks underneath there. You got the drain spouts that come out here to keep the water off your coach. Over here we got a control panel here. We got handles for your gray tank, black tank, all your water. You have an outdoor shower here with hot and cold water and your water connections, 110 outlet there, lights in here, satellite cable TV, room for your hoses to go underneath there. There's the other side of the outside storage. The other propane tank on this side. This has a gross vehicle weight of 13,800 pounds. So if you have any questions about this Sundance or any of the other inventory that we have here at Guaranty, Kicker Jim, my phone number is 541-787-0348. I'm here to kick those high prices out of here. So give me a call if you got any questions about this or anything else. Thank you.